Escobar Moises from the tribe of Lacastiwa. Diba? Unfinished siya. So, as you can see, Lacastiwa means inner strength. Wherein this inner strength, that in leadership, it should not just be on the line of authority, but also the leadership, the characteristics that we need to possess to inspire and to lift others. And we have here the 5 elements that a leader should possess. First, ano siya? No. Sorry. So, Lacastiwa, we have the VICA. First is the visionary. As a leader, we need to have a vision. For us, for our leadership not to be directionless. Kasi hindi pwedeng magiging leader tayo kung hindi natin i-visualize kung ano yung purpose na gusto natin para sa organization natin at kung ano yung gusto nating makuha ng mga members natin na magbe-benefit sila, hindi lang tayo yung nagbe-benefit sa mismong organization. And I is integrity. And integrity, as we all know, as Sir Carlo speaks yesterday. I love that he pops the bubble of how an organization works and how a true leader should work. Not in a leadership, it's not a world of utopic world that once you step out in that bubble, hindi siya madali. That's why leadership is not for the weak and C is for competence. Dapat meron tayong competence na hindi lang dapat ang isang leader ay maalam sa isang aspect but in a whole. And E is for empathy. Empathy is the inner heart of leadership because that makes us human, that makes us compassionate. And A is accountability. We need to be accountable in everything that we do. We need to be accountable kung may mistakes man tayo, kung may mga sinasabi man sila, kung may nasasabi man sila sa atin, we need to accept that. And I just would like to inspire you that we as a leader, hindi lang dapat